In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reveal file locations and move files efficiently in Adobe Bridge. Adobe Bridge is a powerful digital asset management application that allows you to organize and access your creative files with ease. One of its great features is the ability to locate and move files effortlessly, which can be particularly useful for designers, photographers, and anyone working with large volumes of media. Let's start by first finding out how you can reveal a file's location. Suppose you've been working on a project and there's a particular file you need to locate within your system's complex folder structure. Open up Adobe Bridge on your computer and navigate to the file in question. Simply click on the file to select it. This step is crucial because Adobe Bridge needs to know exactly which file you're focusing on. Now, let's move to the next crucial part. Head over to the top menu in Adobe Bridge, and you'll want to direct your attention to the File option. Once there, you'll see several options. For those on Windows, hover over File and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, select the Reveal in Explorer option. What this does is it opens up your File Explorer, centering directly on the folder in which your file is stored. It's an incredibly practical tool for streamlining your workflow, especially if you're managing numerous files across different projects. Now let's discuss how you can move files to a different location within your system using Adobe Bridge. Maybe you've discovered that the current organization of your files isn't quite working for you, or perhaps you're tidying up your files as part of a larger project. Whatever the reason, moving files can help maintain a clean and efficient workspace. You'll first want to select one or more files or folders you wish to relocate. This can be done by clicking on a single file, or if you hold down the Control key on Windows or the Command key on Mac OS, you can select multiple files and folders as needed. Once your files are selected, right-click if you're on a Windows machine, or if you're using Mac OS, you can Control-click. This action will bring up a context menu with various options. Among these, find and click on Move To. This option allows you to move your selected files or folders to a new location. You'll be prompted to choose or browse to your preferred destination folder. Navigate through your folders to identify the best new home for your files. Once selected, confirm your choice, and Adobe Bridge will handle the rest, efficiently transferring your files to the chosen location. And just like that, you've successfully revealed file locations and moved files in Adobe Bridge. This streamlined management can not only save you time, but also ensure your files are always just where you need them to be. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on mastering your digital workspace.